Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're waxing my face. I think I am the poster child of why it's so important to hire and go with a professional. Okay, so I feel like I should give you guys like a little backstory on like what led us here to this day of me waxing my own face. I always have had really dark, thick, coarse hair, everywhere. It didn't really affect my face. But as I got older, like as I entered like my 20s, I started noticing like peach fuzz that was fine before. I felt like it was just darker, and so I started getting waxed, especially like my sideburns. Like, girl is Mexican over here and she had like sideburns, and it wasn't like really big thick sideburns, but like I just felt like I had sideburns, which I hated. And so I started getting those waxed, and then I would have like a huge line like of where my skin was and where there's no skin. It wouldn't wax my skin off, guys. I don't know why I said that. There was like a strip of where the hair was and where there's no hair, and so there's like a line because my hair was so thick and dark. You could see where my face was waxed. So I don't know why that's so hard to come out of my mouth.
Eso es lo que dice él. That's what he says. Damn it.
So I eventually found this salon that, oh my God, I love. And I would go every like 2 weeks to once a month, and they would wax my entire face. And I always have broken out anytime people have waxed my face, and I always thought like, well, it's just, you know, like wax, like that's what happens with wax. And no, it's all about the technician, it's all about the wax that they use, and it's all about like how long they're leaving the wax on for. I had people that would literally like put like wax, 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 and then like start taking it off.
No, Kelly Clarkson!
And my technician, like, she would always put like a thin layer of wax and then immediately take it off as soon as possible, because she's like, we don't want that wax on your face that long. That's what's causing you to break out. Also, if the temperature's too high on the wax, that's gonna cause you to break out. Also, what kind of wax are they using? That's gonna cause you to break out. There's so many factors. So the major benefits that I got from waxing my face, and my face will look so porcelain, so beautiful, so amazing. I just really love it. And I've been waxing my face, well, going to places to wax my face for over 5 years, and I cannot recommend it enough, guys. If you find a good place that does it, get it done by a professional. But we are in quarantine life right now.
COVID-19 is killing me, and I must confess I hate quarantine.
I have never actually waxed my face. I'm scared. I don't mind when people like will put hot wax on me and take it off, because I'm like, I have no control of it. Do it. It needs to be done. Just do it. But doing it myself is a whole other game, guys. I am using this wax. This is hardening wax, which means no strips and kneaded. It will get hard on you.
That's what she said. That's
I didn't finish the sentence. I was already hard on me. Put it on, wait till it gets hard, and take it off. I've never used that kind of wax, so that's gonna be fun. And I'm going to be warming them up in this cute little beaker. It is microwave safe, and that's what Amazon told me. I am not sure at this point now because it does not say anything. Anyways, I also bought these little applicators. So as you guys could see, it has like a pointy tip on one side and like a round tip on the other. And I think that would be really, really good for application of the eyebrows. So, and like always, everything I use will be linked down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of my little waxing pellets and pour it into my little science beaker and pop that in the microwave. I don't want it to get too hot, but I needed to get nice and waxy. So yeah, Okay guys, I've moved the camera around because, you know, better angles. And I just want to show you guys what these pebbles look like. So I'm just gonna pour it in. Actually, don't know how much to put in, but this is what I'm putting in, which is half cup. And they're just tiny little wax things. So I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna go microwave this. I'm gonna take one of my sticks so I could stir it every time I get it out of the microwave.
10 seconds later.
My microwave broke. The description on Amazon said microwave safe. I purposely bought this one because it said microwave safe. It's not completely fully melted. Like half of it is melted. I think I broke it. I think I broke my microwave, guys. I don't know if it's the circuit. I don't know if it's the microwave. I'm gonna try to lift it and like plug it in somewhere else and see if it works. So upset with myself, guys. And I'm kind of freaking out because I'm scared. But this wax is sort of melted. So I kind of want to just wax my face now. This isn't even hot enough. It's not even gonna work because it's not even hot enough. Oh my God. It's not hot enough. It did not get hot enough, guys. We'll see what's going on with my microwave. Okay, so my microwave is not broken. I went downstairs and the microwave like timer thing was blinking. What? So I grabbed this, got it at Target, super cute. It was like 79 cents. And I'm just gonna pour wax in here because I know that this is microwave safe. It says it on the container. Okay guys, I am back and the microwave did it again. Like it waited at least until my wax was hot, but it turned off again. So it can't be me, right?
It's you.
You're damn right it's me.
Let's get started. 30 minutes later, let's get started. I'm a little bit scared now with all the anticipation. Oh my God, I left my energy drink upstairs. It's not an energy drink, it's like, but it does have caffeine and I already had coffee and I don't know why I did that because my anxiety level is already super high. Oh my God, I got my eyelashes. Now, it's been like 10 seconds. Oh my God, look at that, guys. It worked so good. It hurt like hell, but it worked so good. This is so gross. Here's the hard part, is that I cannot see, so I have to put it like way over here. I don't want to do too many sections at once because I'm scared that I'm just gonna be like, oh, I'm leaving it on too long, you know? So you're supposed to only leave it on like for 10 seconds. But I want to put on my nose strip, you know, 2 stones, you know, the whole cat thing.
What did you just say?
Yeah, it's like, waxing is like a giant pore strip. Like as soon as you take it off, you're like, ew, look at all that. Okay, let's keep going. I have a whole face. Okay, tip, get bigger sticks for your face. But I feel like I should move on to my face until I'm done with my eyebrows. And I'm low-key scared to do like these parts of my eyebrows. Not because of the pain, but because like I'm afraid to take too much from the eyebrow. Why have I not done this before? Let's try, because I have no skill. That's what I have to hold on to. Oh my God, guys, this is so gross. My eyebrow, one eyebrow, 30 minutes later, so good. Professionals are probably like, oh my God, what is she doing? She looks like a hot mess. And that's okay, because you know what you're doing. I have no idea. If anything, this shows job guarantee. I'm all over the place into this stuff. No, like I'm going everywhere and you're like, stick to a section and finish it. That's not me. That's not me. I'm so excited. I hate chin hairs. Like baby chin hairs are like so disgusting. The thing that I am scared of is the lip. The lip to me is so painful that I'm really willing to leave a little stash.
And I've learnt to accept it fully.
Ew. You don't even realize how hairy your face is until you go ahead and wax it and see it and you're like, oh, that is disgusting. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the eyebrows because I hate looking at them. I feel like the wax is, maybe the waxer warmer is a better idea because I'm feeling like the wax is cooling, and then like it's something that I guess if you could do it really fast, it'll be fine to do the pellets, but if not, if you're like slow poke like me, I think it's better if you get the wax warmer. Like when I say I wax my whole face, guys, I wax my whole face. I need to be more organized. This one's gonna hurt, guys. Oh my God. This one's gonna hurt like a bitch. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. So I went to my kids' stuff and grabbed some of her sticks. I really hope that is okay. And I heated my wax for another minute. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. Also, I think that next time I'll do this, I won't be with the camera, so it should go a lot faster. Yeah, it's already like, it's already cooling. It didn't want to stick to my face. Yeah, it doesn't want to stick to my face anymore. It's too cold. Yeah, it didn't remove anything. It's too cold now. Guys, get the wax warmer, guys. Trust, trust. And there you have it, guys. Me waxing my face. Now, if I could do it, you can do it too. Trust me. But yeah, get the warmer and don't break your microwave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and all that mumbo jumbo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, comment down below what you want me to wax next. No, I need to edit that out.